Hello, everyone, and welcome back to
So English.
Today, we're diving into something we all do every single day, our daily routines, from the moment you wake up to the second your head hits the pillow. I'm May.
Hello, May, and hello, everyone. I'm Jay. How are you today, May?
I'm doing amazing, Jay. Actually, I just had my morning coffee, so I am fully powered up and ready to go.
Oh, yes, coffee is life. May, I have a question. Do you consider yourself a morning person?
Okay, honest answer, no, absolutely not. When my alarm goes off, I feel like I'm being pulled out of the best dream of my life.
Same. I hit the snooze button like 5 times every morning. Is that bad?
You mean like you keep pressing snooze and going back to sleep?
Yes, exactly. I tell myself, just 5 more minutes, and then certainly it's 40 minutes later.
Oh, Jay, you just described millions of people around the world. That 5 more minutes is one of the biggest lies we tell ourselves every single morning.
Wait, so everyone does this?
Everyone, trust me. I once read that the average person hits snooze at least 2 to 3 times before actually getting up. We are all guilty of this.
That actually makes me feel so much better. Okay, May, so today we're talking about daily routines, morning to night. What's so special about this topic?
Great question. Here's why this matters. If you listen until the end of today's episode, you will be able to talk about your daily life in natural, confident English, not textbook English, real English that real people actually use.
Oh, I love that, because sometimes I learn English from books and it sounds so stiff and unnatural.
Exactly. Nobody wakes up and says, I arose from my slumber and proceeded to consume my morning meal.
That sounds like a robot. Okay, so let's get into it. May, walk me through a real morning routine. What does yours actually look like?
Okay, so my morning routine, and I'll be honest, it's not perfect, starts the moment my alarm goes off. And the first thing I do before anything else is check my phone.
You mean like scroll through messages and social media?
Yes, and you know what? Experts say that's actually one of the worst things you can do first thing in the morning. But do I stop? No.
See, I do the same thing. So what happens after that?
Okay, so after my phone time, which I tell myself is only 5 minutes but is usually 15, I get up, wash my face, and brush my teeth. And this is where things get interesting.
Wait, what do you mean? What's interesting about brushing teeth?
So I used to just brush my teeth in like 30 seconds, super fast, and run out the door. And my dentist looked at me one day and said, May, are you actually brushing or are you just saying hello to your teeth? Saying hello to your teeth? That's hilarious. And that moment changed me. Now I brush properly, 2 full minutes. It sounds small, but small habits in the morning set the tone for your whole day.
Oh, that's actually a really good point. So the morning routine is kind of like setting up your whole day?
Exactly. Think of it like this. Your morning routine is like the opening song of a movie. If the opening is good, you feel excited for everything that comes next.
Oh, I love that analogy. Okay, so after brushing teeth, what's next? Do you eat breakfast?
This is my favorite part. Yes, I eat breakfast. And I'm a big believer that breakfast is not optional. It's fuel. Your brain needs energy to function.
You mean like without breakfast your brain doesn't work well?
Yes. Think of your brain like a car. If you don't put petrol or gas in the car, it doesn't move. Same with your brain. No food, no focus.
Okay, that makes total sense. So what do you usually eat?
I keep it simple. Usually eggs, fruit, and coffee. Nothing fancy. And while I eat, I don't watch TV or scroll my phone. I actually sit quietly and just eat.
Wait, seriously? You just sit and eat? No phone, no TV?
I know, it sounds almost impossible in this day and age, but it helps me feel calm before a busy day. It's called mindful eating, being present with your food.
You mean like paying attention to what you're eating instead of being distracted?
Perfectly said, Jay. Exactly that.
Okay, so now it's mid-morning. What happens next in your day?
All right, so mid-morning is when I do my most important work, whether that's answering emails, working on projects, or in our case, preparing for this podcast.
Yes, so listeners, May actually works hard behind the scenes for you all. She doesn't just show up and start talking.
Thank you, Jay. Yes. And here's something I want to share. This is where things change for a lot of people. Most people think they work best at night, but actually, research shows our brains are sharpest in the mid-morning hours.
Really? So like 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. is peak brain time?
For most people, yes. So if you have something hard to do, studying English, writing something, learning something new, do it in the morning, not at midnight when your brain is exhausted.
Oh, wow, I never thought about that. I always tried to study at night and wondered why I kept forgetting everything.
That's why. Your brain at midnight is like a phone at 3% battery. It's technically still on, but it's barely functioning.
Oh no, that's so accurate. Okay, so what about lunchtime? Tell me about the afternoon part of your routine.
Okay, so lunchtime, I take a real break. And I mean a real break. I step away from my desk, eat somewhere different, even if it's just another room, and I give my brain a rest.
A lot of people eat lunch at their desk though, right? Like while working?
Yes, and I used to do that too. And you know what? I was always tired by 2 p.m. The moment I started taking a proper lunch break, my afternoon energy completely changed.
You mean like taking a break actually gives you more energy?
Counterintuitive, right? You would think working straight through gives you more productivity, but actually rest recharges you, like plugging your phone in for 20 minutes to get that boost.
Oh, that's such a good way to think about it. Okay, so afternoons, what does that look like?
Afternoons for me are usually lighter tasks, replying to messages, organizing things, maybe a quick walk outside. I don't try to do deep creative work after 3 p.m. because honestly, my brain just isn't there anymore.
I feel that. By 3 or 4 p.m., I just want to take a nap. Is that normal?
Completely normal. Actually, many cultures around the world build napping into their daily routine. In Spain, it's called a siesta. In Japan, some offices even allow short naps. Science actually supports this.
Wait, offices let you nap? That sounds like a dream.
Right? A 20-minute nap can seriously boost your focus and mood for the rest of the day. It's not laziness, it's strategy.
Okay, I'm going to start telling my boss that my afternoon nap is a strategic productivity tool.
Please let me know how that conversation goes.
Okay, May, let's move into the evening. What does your evening routine look like?
Evening is honestly my favorite part, and this is where things get really interesting because the evening routine is something most people completely ignore, and it's actually just as important as the morning.
Wait, you mean like how you end your day affects the next day too?
Exactly. Here's a story. I had a friend, let's call her Lisa. Lisa was always exhausted in the mornings. She couldn't wake up well, always felt foggy, always cranky.
Oh, I know that feeling. That I didn't sleep well zombie feeling.
Yes. So we looked at her evening routine, and you know what? She was on her phone until midnight, eating heavy snacks late at night and sleeping with the TV on.
Oh, I may or may not do all of those things.
Most people do. And the problem is, your brain thinks the light from the screen is sunlight, so it doesn't produce melatonin, which is the chemical that makes you sleepy.
You mean like your phone tricks your brain into thinking it's still daytime?
Perfectly explained. So Lisa changed her evening routine. She put the phone down at 10 p.m.,
dimmed the lights, drank some herbal tea, and read a book for 20 minutes before bed.
And it worked?
Within 1 week, she said she was sleeping better than she had in years. 1 week. Small changes, big results.
Wow. Okay, so the phone is really the enemy of good sleep.
The phone is a wonderful tool and a terrible bedtime companion. Think of it this way. You wouldn't invite someone to talk loudly in your bedroom while you're trying to sleep, right?
No, definitely not.
But that's basically what your phone does. It keeps your brain stimulated when it should be winding down.
Okay, that image is stuck in my head now. So what should people do instead in the evenings?
I personally do 3 things in my evening wind down. First, I write a quick list of 3 things I want to do tomorrow, so my brain isn't running through it all night.
Oh, that's smart. Because sometimes I can't sleep because my brain keeps thinking about everything I need to do.
Exactly. Writing it down tells your brain it's handled. You can relax now. Second thing, I shower or wash my face before bed. It signals to your body that the day is over.
You mean like it's a kind of ritual to tell your body, okay, time to sleep?
Beautiful. Yes. Rituals train your body and brain to shift into a certain mode. Athletes use rituals before games. Students should use rituals before studying. And we should all use rituals before sleep.
And the third thing you do?
Read, even just 10 pages, not on a screen, an actual book. It relaxes your mind, builds vocabulary, and honestly makes your eyes tired in the best way.
Yeah, I always fall asleep reading. I thought that meant I was bad at reading.
No, it means it's working. Your brain is relaxing. That's exactly what you want at night.
Okay, wait. I want to take a step back and ask about something. You talk about routines like they're really powerful, but what about people who say routines are boring? Like, I don't want the same schedule every day.
Oh, I love this question. And here's the thing. Routines don't kill freedom. Routines actually create freedom.
You mean like having a routine gives you more freedom? That sounds backward.
Okay, imagine you are going to cook dinner. If you know where every ingredient is, where your pots are, where your knife is, cooking is easy and fast. But if every single night you have to search for everything, it's chaotic and exhausting.
Oh, so the routine is like having your kitchen organized. You know where everything is.
Yes, when your daily habits are automatic. Wake up, exercise, eat, work, rest, sleep. Your brain doesn't waste energy deciding those things, so it saves energy for the fun, creative, spontaneous stuff.
That actually makes a lot of sense. Okay, I want to imagine a scenario here. Let's say a listener is a student, waking up for class, studying, going home. How can they use what we said today?
Perfect scenario. Okay, listeners, imagine this. You wake up and instead of grabbing your phone, you drink a glass of water first. Just water.
Water before phone. Got it.
Then you eat something small before class, even if it's just a banana, not because you're super hungry, but to fuel your brain before you go learn.
Like putting gas in the car before a long drive.
Exactly. Then, after class, instead of going straight to social media, you take a 15-minute walk. Fresh air, sunlight, movement, your brain processes what you just learned during that walk.
Really? Walking helps you remember things?
Yes, it's called memory consolidation. Your brain actually organizes new information during light physical activity. It's like your brain is filing papers while your body walks.
Wow, that's fascinating. He won't believe I used to just go home and watch videos after class and wonder why I forgot everything from my lessons.
Now you know why. And then, in the evening, review your notes for just 10 minutes before bed. Not an hour, just 10 minutes. Sleep will actually help you remember it.
You mean like sleep helps you learn?
Your brain consolidates memories during deep sleep. So studying a little, then sleeping, is actually more effective than studying for 4 exhausting hours.
Okay, this episode is changing my life. I'm serious.
That's what we're here for. All right, Jay, should we do our vocabulary moment?
Yes, let's go. I love this part.
Okay, so today I want to highlight 5 phrases we used naturally in our conversation. These are phrases you can use every day when talking about your routine.
Perfect. Hit me.
Number 1, set the tone, as in your morning routine sets the tone for your whole day. This means the beginning of something influences how everything else goes.
Oh, like the first goal in a football match really sets the tone for the game.
Perfect example. Number 2, wind down, as in I wind down before bed. This means to gradually relax and slow your activity.
So I can say after work, I watch a calm show to wind down.
Exactly right. Number 3, fuel. Not just for cars. We use this for food and energy too. Breakfast is fuel for your brain.
Like, I can't work without coffee. It's my fuel.
Very relatable. Number 4, counterintuitive. This one's a bit bigger, but important. It means something that seems opposite to what you'd expect. Taking breaks actually makes you more productive. Counterintuitive, right?
You mean like it goes against what you would normally think?
Exactly. So you could say it's counterintuitive, but sleeping more can help you study better.
Ooh, I like that word. Counterintuitive. I'm going to use that.
And number 5, in this day and age. This phrase means in modern times or nowadays. I said, sitting quietly without your phone sounds almost impossible in this day and age.
So I can say, in this day and age, everyone has a smartphone.
Perfect. Natural, real, everyday English. You're doing great, Jay.
Thank you, May. Okay, so what's the big takeaway from today's episode?
The big takeaway is this. Your daily routine is not just a schedule. It is a system that supports your energy, your focus, your mood, and your success. Small, consistent habits done every day are more powerful than big, dramatic changes done once in a while.
I love that. Small habits every day. That's the key.
And the beautiful thing is, you don't need a perfect routine. You just need a consistent one. Even 3 good habits in the morning and 2 in the evening can completely transform your life.
Okay, I feel like I need to go and redesign my whole day after this conversation.
Start small, one change at a time. Don't try to overhaul everything overnight.
That's great advice. And you know what? This is exactly why we do this podcast every day, because every single day there is something new and useful to learn.
Absolutely. And to our amazing listeners, we have a question for you today. We want to hear from you. What is the one part of your daily routine that you struggle with the most? Is it waking up, eating well, putting the phone down at night?
Tell us in the comments. We genuinely read them and love hearing from you all around the world.
And if today's episode gave you even one useful idea, please subscribe to
Social English.
We are here every single day with new topics, real conversations, and simple English that actually helps you in real life.
Yes, hit that subscribe button right now so you never miss an episode. And share this with a friend who's learning English. It might just change their daily routine too.
Thank you so much for spending part of your day with us. Keep building those good habits, keep practicing your English, and remember, every single day is a chance to do things a little better than yesterday.
Well said, May. All right, everyone, that's it for today. Take care, stay consistent, and we'll see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow. Bye, everyone.
Bye.